There's my other garage. Last garage. Got the car. I'm going to dump. Look at that, huh? Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, you don't want it. You don't want it. I'm flexing out now. Flexing out.